Hey everyone, I am excited to do a quick tutorial on how to boost that engagement. So, have you ever wondered all those friend requests that you may have sent out over the years? And did you know how terrible it is that they may or may not have responded? So, I am going to show you exactly how you can fix that problem, boost your engagement, and it is too bad that they haven't responded to your friend request, but let's take action now. You could always follow them, but let's unfriend. So as you can see here, friend request sent. So where I was here in friend request. I went to find friends, and then right here, view sent friend request. Click on view sent friend request, and here we are. So now we're going to click here. We are going to cancel request. We are going to cancel request. So this is an awesome way to a boost your engagement because it's hurting you. Just like one long day, not too long ago, they used to tell us that we had to have 5,000 friends. And yes, those influencers, they max out. And it's awesome that they max out. But we are micro influencers. And there is an awesome appeal to being a micro influencer. You have more time to do one on one coaching. I offer one on one coaching to anyone that I jump on a Zoom with, and I find that I can be of service to them when they want to start a business page, get their group going, just have clarity around self development, some daily rituals, how to get into a positive mindset, how to, like, where to start. Maybe you want to do webinars as I have, and just going for it, taking action. So I hope you're watching me. So look at all of these friend requests that I have sent. This is like since I've joined Facebook. So I'm curious, and I figured, why not share the training with all of you so that when you jump on my engagement boost and ads made easy with this movement maker mama and perfectly successful movements mastermind, because I know that you're excited about having. Look, I sent Gary Ver with Vaynerchuk. Oh, that's a terrible picture. So we're gonna cancel requests, and let's see if when I go over, if they let me follow, I will follow, and then the secret to that is if I follow. So it's saying I'm already following them. So we just can't, oh, cancel request. And you know what, we can, I'll show you like a quick way to engage. Here, let me see if I can move this. Okay. And also, so to boost engagement, this is day one of the challenge. So I'm going to be sharing this in Attract Your Tribe with your law of attraction marketing vibe. And I shared yesterday on my live video, first things first, if you're going to boost your engagement, if you're going to get into a daily action plan, because we always hear about DMO, daily method of operation. But what about a daily action plan? I was given this idea when I have been working with Kate McShay's community, and I have been, if you are not a part of their Rise to Freedom and you would like some access to their affiliate, please reach out to me because I am getting excited to start sharing what she has in store, and I've been learning a lot. So, between the MLSP mentors and Ray Higdon and Jessica Higdon, and now Kate McShay, and I have been working with the Leadership Academy, I have really been taking in a lot of great information. So I really believe that if we follow what they say, they are on top, we will start seeing better results. It can only get better from here. So if we start decluttering all these friend requests, I'm nervous to see how many I've sent out, but I'm happy that I'm taking action, and I'm happy that I could share this with you, because if I didn't have a reason to share because I care and help more people learn from what I'm learning, then maybe I wouldn't have taken action. And I want to encourage you, even if you're working full time. I am working crazy hours right now, but I am so excited because I get to take my family to see Disney World when I go to an event with Rank Makers Live. And I was able to win VIP tickets. I'm going to be surrounded by some amazing people that think like me, other entrepreneurs. I'm just truly thrilled to have that experience. And right now, with the Rank Makers Live community, we are given a boost your engagement. So, as I'm sharing the challenge for preparing to prepare for 2020, the new decade is upon us, it's here. We need to A, declutter our Facebook and our Instagram, which are my two main platforms. And with that being said, I have to admit, Facebook has changed incredibly. Like, I was watching Travis Chappelle, and if you're not a part of his network community, let me know so that I can invite you, because he truly went from, he had no investment into anything. He decided to invest into a mentorship, and he started a podcast, and he's working like with Grant Cardone. He said that networking on Facebook has completely changed. So it's definitely something that I'm going to be training on. And I also have access to a couple new ideas when it comes to exploring your social media life. I know that I'm going to be using Pinterest, because I'm setting up my blog and my website, and I'm going to be doing a daily blog post. These are things that we can control. So Facebook feels like, yes, we used to be able to control it, and I'm going to be doing live videos and showing up and delivering free value, because the more free value that we deliver, the more people will say, hey, if she's delivering or if he's delivering all this free value, I can't imagine what would be in her membership site. So I do have a membership site, and I have a Launch Your Movement course, which brings you through step by step tutorials, through mindset, through money mindset, through personal development, and how much time you should really spend on it. The learning, I have done a lot of learning. There's one thing I will say, I do love to learn, and I do get into learning mode. But as you can see, I have so many trainings inside my Powerful Creations community that is included as a mastermind, and anyone that's a part of that gets complete access to everything that I pretty much have purchased. And then I do a weekly clarity call to help you implement, because there's no point in learning if you're not going to implement. And just earlier today, I signed up for, it's like a affiliate part of Webinar Jam. I'll go more into that. So I really believe that if you are not currently monetizing your strategy, or you're feeling that it has been tough, then this is key. So I'm going to wrap it up. Start going to your viewed friend requests and simply cancel request. Engagement boost number one. Get ready. Here we come.